Unlock seamless global communication by automating text translation across your favorite apps with Zapier. Let's dive into how Zapier's powerful integrations can revolutionize your multilingual workflows first. You'll need a Zapier account. Head over to Zapier.com and click Create a Zap to begin building your automated translation process. The first step is choosing your trigger, a circumflex euros. The event that will kick off your translation. Think about what starts your workflow. Is it a new email arriving, a new post on social media, or a new entry in a spreadsheet? Select the app and the specific event that initiates the translation. Next, we add the translation step. Zapier integrates with leading translation services. We'll select this translation app as our action here. You'll map the text from your trigger app to the text to translate field. This tells Zapier exactly what content needs to be translated. Crucially, you'll specify the languages. Choose the original language of your content, and the language you want it translated into. Zapier supports a vast array of languages, so get as specific as you need. Finally, we define the action. Where should your translated text go? You can send it to a Slack channel for your international team, save it to a Google Drive folder, or even populate a new email. Select your desired app and the action you want Zapier to perform with the translated content. With your trigger, translation, and action all set up, your Zap is complete now. Whenever your trigger event occurs, Zapier will automatically translate your text and send it to its destination, breaking down language barriers and saving you valuable time. Start automating your multilingual communication today and witness the power of Zapier-powered translations.